Alexa, make an announcement in the kitchen.
What's the announcement?
Thanks for practicing with me.
Announcing.
Thanks for practicing with me.
You can also make announcements from the Alexa app. In the app, tap the Communicate icon in the bottom row. Then tap the Announce icon in the top right row. Then you can type in whatever you'd like the announcement to say. When you make an announcement using the app, you can also add fun little sounds that Alexa has programmed, such as a dinner bell or a trumpet. When you have the message typed out as you'd like, tap the play button. The message will then be announced on all enabled devices.